Scene script. Are you struggling to generate leads and increase sales? Does your high-ticket service business need a boost? Welcome to the world where the power of video meets the vastness of the internet. Welcome to the world of YouTube ads, a realm that holds immense potential for high-ticket service providers like you. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the significance of YouTube ads and how they can help elevate your business to new heights. YouTube, the second most visited website globally, has over 2 billion logged-in users each month. Imagine the exposure, the reach, the audience you could tap into. With YouTube ads, you can connect with potential clients, both locally and globally, who are looking for exactly the services you provide. But it's not just about reach, it's about reaching the right people. YouTube's powerful targeting capabilities allow you to reach your ideal client. Whether you're targeting by age, gender, location, interests, or even specific search terms, YouTube ads help you connect with those who are most likely to be interested in your high-ticket services. And let's not forget the power of video. It's engaging, it's memorable, and it allows you to tell your story in a way that resonates with your audience. With YouTube ads, you can showcase your services, share client testimonials, and provide valuable content to your audience, all while increasing brand awareness and credibility. In this video, we're going to break down the process of setting up and running paid YouTube ads into easy-to-follow steps. We'll cover everything from understanding YouTube ads to setting up your first campaign, optimizing your ads, and even diving into some advanced strategies. Whether you're a consultant, a coach, an expert, or a marketing agency, YouTube ads can be a game changer for your business. They can help you generate qualified leads, book more appointments, and ultimately increase your sales. So are you ready to harness the power of YouTube ads? Are you ready to give your high-ticket service business the boost it needs? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of YouTube ads and how they can transform your business. So what exactly are YouTube ads and how do they work? Well, at the most basic level, YouTube ads are promotional content that businesses or individuals pay to have shown on YouTube. They come in different shapes and sizes, each with its own distinct advantages and quirks. First up, we have skippable video ads. These are the ads that appear before, during, or after a video and can be skipped after 5 seconds. They're a great way to catch people's attention quickly, and you only pay when viewers watch at least 30 seconds or the entire ad, whichever is shorter. Next, we have non-skippable video ads. As you might have guessed, these ads can't be skipped and are typically 15 to 20 seconds long. Because viewers can't skip them, they offer a guaranteed chance to get your message across. But remember, they need to be engaging enough to keep viewers from clicking away. Then, there are display ads. These are the ads that appear to the right of the video playing and above the video suggestions list. They can also appear below the video player on mobile devices. We also have overlay ads, which are transparent ads that appear on the lower 20% portion of your video. They can be either simple text or image ads. Lastly, we have video discovery ads. These ads appear alongside other YouTube videos in YouTube search pages or on the YouTube mobile homepage, and they're perfect for promoting your content within YouTube itself. Now, the real beauty of YouTube ads lies in the platform's vast audience. With over 2 billion logged-in users per month, YouTube offers a rich and diverse audience for businesses to tap into. This means, no matter who your target audience is, there's a good chance they're on YouTube. Moreover, YouTube's advanced targeting options allow you to reach the right people at the right time. You can target by age, gender, location, interests, and more, ensuring your ads are shown to the people most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Now that we understand what YouTube ads are, let's move on to creating your first ad. Ready to create your first YouTube ad? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. First up, you'll need to choose a video for your ad. This could be a new video created specifically for the ad, or an existing one from your channel. Remember, the video is the star of the show, so make sure it's engaging, communicates your message clearly, and aligns with your brand. Once you've chosen your video, you'll need to set up an AdWords account. AdWords is Google's advertising platform, and it's where you'll manage your YouTube ads. Setting up an account is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready to go in no time. Next, you'll need to select your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your ad? You can target your ad based on demographics such as age, gender, and location, as well as interests and browsing habits. The more specific you can be, the more likely you are to reach the right people. Now it's time to set your budget. How much are you willing to spend on your ad campaign? You can choose a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign. Remember, your budget should reflect the value you expect to get from the ad. Don't be afraid to invest in your campaign, but also keep in mind that it's not all about how much you spend. Even with a modest budget, a well-targeted ad can yield impressive results. Finally, you'll set your bid. This is the maximum amount you're willing to pay each time someone interacts with your ad. Your bid, along with factors like ad quality and relevance, determines where your ad will show up on YouTube. And there you have it. You've just walked through the process of setting up your first YouTube ad. But remember, creating the ad is just the first step. To really make your ad shine, you'll need to monitor its performance, make adjustments as needed, and always be on the lookout for ways to improve. Congratulations, you've just set up your first YouTube ad. But how do you make sure it's effective? Creating the ad is just the first step. Now let's talk about optimization. Optimization is the fine-tuning of your YouTube ads to maximize their performance. It's like tuning a guitar. You want each string, or in this case, each element of your ad to be in perfect harmony to produce the best sound, or rather, the best results. So, how do we do this? The first strategy is using keywords. Keywords are the GPS of the digital world. They guide potential customers to your ads. So make sure you use relevant and high-ranking keywords in your ad content. This helps your ad appear in front of the right people at the right time. Next in our optimization toolbox is creating compelling thumbnails. A thumbnail is like a movie poster. It's the first thing people see before they click on your ad, so it needs to grab their attention and make them want to know more. A compelling thumbnail can drastically increase your click-through rate. Now let's talk about effective ad text. The text in your ad is like a sales pitch. It needs to be persuasive, clear, and concise. Remember, you only have a few seconds to convince someone to click on your ad, so make every word count. Monitoring ad performance is the final piece of the optimization puzzle. By keeping an eye on how your ad performs, you can identify what's working and what's not. This helps you make data-driven decisions and continuously improve your ads. Remember, optimization is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. You need to continuously monitor and tweak your ads to maximize their performance. It's like maintaining a car. You can't just fill it up with gas and forget about it. You need to regularly check the oil, the tire pressure, and so on to keep it running smoothly. With these optimization strategies, your YouTube ads are bound to be successful. But how can you take them to the next level? Ready to take your YouTube ads to the next level? Let's dive into some advanced strategies. We've covered the basics of setting up and optimizing your YouTube ads, but to truly maximize your results, we'll need to dig a bit deeper. One powerful tool at your disposal is remarketing. This strategy allows you to target viewers who have already shown interest in your content. By creating a custom audience of those who have watched your videos, visited your website, or even made a purchase, you can serve them tailored ads that speak directly to their experiences with your brand. Next, let's talk about Google Analytics. This platform provides you with invaluable insights into who your audience is, what they're watching, and how they're interacting with your ads. By integrating Google Analytics with your YouTube account, you can make data-driven decisions that will significantly enhance your ad performance. Another advanced strategy involves experimenting with different ad formats. YouTube offers a variety of options, including display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, bumper ads, and sponsored cards. Testing these formats will allow you to understand which one works best for your target audience and your specific goals. And finally, remember the importance of continual testing and tweaking. The world of digital marketing is ever evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Regularly, review your ad performance, test new strategies, and adjust your approach accordingly. In conclusion, advanced YouTube ad strategies aren't just for the pros. With a bit of patience and a willingness to learn, you too can leverage these powerful techniques to elevate your ad game. With these advanced strategies, you're well on your way to mastering YouTube ads and skyrocketing your business. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to set up, run, and optimize YouTube ads. We've embarked on a journey from understanding the basics of YouTube ads to mastering advanced strategies. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We started with an introduction to YouTube ads, understanding their potential and why they're an excellent tool for growing your business. We then moved on to the nitty-gritty of setting up your first YouTube ad, where we discussed the necessary steps to get your ads up and running. But launching an ad is just the first step. We delved into the art and science of optimizing YouTube ads, a crucial process that ensures your ads reach the right audience at the right time, maximizing your return on investment. Then, we explored advanced YouTube ad strategies, taking your ad game to the next level. We talked about how to further refine your targeting, create compelling content, and utilize data to continually improve your results. Throughout this journey, we've emphasized the immense potential benefits of YouTube ads for high-ticket service providers. The power to reach a global audience, the ability to target specific demographics, and the opportunity to boost your leads, appointments, and sales are all at your fingertips. But remember, knowledge is only powerful when put into action. Now it's your turn to implement what you've learned, to take the reins and steer your business towards success. So, what's the next step? Ready to take your business to new heights with YouTube ads? It's time to move from theory to practice. Don't forget, you don't have to do this alone. We're here to guide you, to provide the support you need as you navigate the world of YouTube ads. Click the link in the description to book a free demo call and start your journey to success. Let's double or even triple those appointments and sales. Let's harness the power of YouTube ads and propel your business into the future. Your success story starts now.